Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Highlander. What's new, how does it perform, and is it the right SUV for you? Let's explore. First off, what sets the Highlander apart? Known for its reliability and family-friendly features, the 2025 model aims to elevate that reputation. But how does it achieve that? Let's break it down. Now, let's talk performance. What engine options will we see? Will there be an upgraded hybrid variant? How does its horsepower stack up against competitors like the Ford Explorer? And what about fuel efficiency? Can it deliver great mileage without sacrificing power? Moving inside, what can we expect from the 2025 Highlander's interior? Are there new tech features that will enhance the driving experience? Think larger touchscreens, upgraded audio systems, and more intuitive connectivity options. What's essential for today's tech-savvy families? Safety is a top priority for family vehicles. What new driver assistance technologies will the Highlander offer? Will features like blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control be standard? How does it ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike? Finally, what do potential buyers think? Are they excited about the new features? How important is value compared to performance and safety in their decision-making? What are they looking for in a family SUV? The 2025 Toyota Highlander is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the SUV market. But will it meet expectations? We want to hear from you. What features excite you the most? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, drive safely and enjoy every journey.